Amazing! Hi guys, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. If you've seen last week's video, we had to move location during the night. Long story, but if you check out last week's video, you'll see why. Now, today we've been invited somewhere and we're really excited about it. So let's get on the road, we're going to do some exploring and we'll tell you more about it.
Morning. So we need to get some supplies, so we're off to the local shop.
Yes.
In Charlestown.
I was just about to say, like, where are we? But
Charlestown. So I've got back from the shop and this is what we got. So we've got sausages to make hot dogs, and then we've got steak lawn, which is barbecue rice and in a Yorkie pud. Nice. I got Tom some big pancakes and look, Toddy scones!
Toddy scone!
And then we got that for dinner now.
Right, what we're going to do, we're going to have some food, and then did you say there's a waterfall?
Yes.
Oh, in fact, we forgot, give me the camera, I forgot we can, well, you put that away. So, I was saying at the beginning of the video, we've been invited somewhere. So, the area that we're in, there's a campsite. What's the campsite called, Brooke?
Parkmore.
And they know that we are in the area and they've invited us to come and stay at the campsite overnight. How fantastic is that? So what we're going to do is we're going to go and do some exploring in the area, and then we're going to go over to this campsite. We're going to spend the night at a campsite. So before we go over to this campsite, we've just found a parking spot. We're going looking for a waterfall that's near here. So just seen there's water here, so that must lead to it. And then there's a sign. It's just started raining, but because we're sort of like in a foresty type of area, we're not getting wet, are we? So
I've still got my waterproof coat on.
yeah, I've put this on as well. So right, let's go and do some exploring. Yes. Amazing! I don't know about you guys, but when you go exploring and you know like there we knew we was coming to a waterfall, the accomplishment that you kind of feel, that we feel doing that. I mean, we've been here for like 20 minutes and it's just like,
And it wasn't even that far of a walk.
I know,
It was about what, 20 minutes?
I know, it just, oh, it just feels good. Amazing. Guys, get out there, explore, get in your camper van, you know, get on your pedal bike, get in your tent, get on public transport, do whatever you need to do, but go and explore and see things like this. Just love it. One life, live it. having a talk to Viv and Di, the owners, and I'm gonna try and get Viv on camera tomorrow. She's a bit shy to go on camera, but you know, they have cottages here as well that you can hire, and really nice campsite, and that's our view for the night. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to the toilet, so I may as well show you the toilets while I do that. Let's go. They have got to be the cleanest toilets I think I've ever seen in a campsite. Impressive. Do you know what? It's chucking it down, so whew, let's get to the van. You know what? It's so clean, this campsite, and like really clean.
Immaculate.
I'm gonna go for a shower now.
So I've just been for a shower and it's so exciting. It's not a push button. You turn it on and it stays on till you turn it off. Yes! And there was a hairdryer in there, so I've dried my hair in there. Now I'm using the EcoFlow to straighten my hair. Yes. Girls, if you don't have one of these to do your straighteners on the road, you need to get one. The link's in the description.
So just to give you a bit of an idea of how long how much power you'll get and how long you could use them. I don't know nothing about hair straighteners, but I know they use a lot of power. But if we look at this...
hair straighteners, not hair dryers.
Did I say hair dryers?
Yep.
I don't know nothing about hair straighteners. See, I don't know about girl hair. I don't know about hair, but anyway. If you look at this, so 95%, and it means that if Brooke kept using the straighteners like continuously, get 4 hours worth of usage out of them. So, right, I'm gonna go for a shower, and then Brooke, if you...
I'll show you what the percentage
let us
is
know
on
what
after
the,
I've done my hair.
Yeah, when the Brooke's hair's straightened, and then you get an idea of how much power it used. So
as you can tell, hair's all straight. The EcoFlow used 2% battery and it literally only just turned to 93% after I'd finished straightening my hair. That's good going. This is awesome.
Dubventures Toasty 40. Nice and easy one tonight.
And tatty scones.
Oh yeah, Brooks had them, so... Right, food time. Morning everyone. You join us on a very wet, absolutely raining, very hard morning. It's been raining all night and it's just like... But you know what, we need the rain, so what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to quickly give you a quick tour of this campsite, because you know what, we really recommend it. It was so peaceful last night. Now I know there's not a lot of like campervans here or anything, but that being said, each space has got like a massive sort of like space for you to stay in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a quick tour around this campsite, and as you can see, it's got cleaning facilities. Laundry facilities, and then there's another sink in here. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Right. Chemical waste disposal. Now they have like cottages here as well that you can actually rent out. If you have a look on their website, you know, if you don't have a campervan or anything like that and you want to experience places like this, they have cottages that you can actually rent while you're here. The reception area, this is where you need to come when you check in. Now, when you do check in, they have a little room where like they keep games and things, so you know, if you bring your kids, that's fantastic. Or if you don't have kids and you want to play some games. So, right, I'm just going to go into reception and see if I can get hold of Viv. So as you can see guys, they've got cottages here that you can stay in. Now I've just had a quick look round here and do you know what, they're so nice. And then we've got the bathroom. We've got a bedroom down here. I'll just quickly show you upstairs. So as you can see guys, there is a lot that you can do here. You don't have to come here and camp, they have cottages as well. And how many do you have? Cottages. So there's plenty of room. Now if you do want to make some inquiries, I'm going to put a link in the description, and if you do want to speak to Viv or Di, give them a call. Now they are very, very shy on camera, but they are very chatty, so if you do give them a ring, you can find out any details that you need. And one thing that I will say is, we do recommend this place. Do you like this campsite? Yeah,
the bathroom is... toilets and that are amazing.
We're leaving that bit in.
No, we're not.
Brooke's like tongue-tied. Do you know what? No, seriously, we do recommend this campsite.
And we are definitely going to come back.
Yeah, we are, because
really
we're going to be doing this route again. Yes, so let's get on the road. So guys, what can we say about that campsite?
Loved it.
Yeah, we do recommend it, and like I've said,
definitely going to go back again.
Yeah, and we'll put a link in the description. So even though the weather's not that great today, we're gonna go up to the coast on the route that we're on.
Yep.
Find like a wild camping spot tonight. Now we've got about 5 days left on this tour that we're doing, and the weather in the next few days, it's going to get dry, isn't it? So that'll be, you know, that we'll be able to like do more and everything, because like I said, the weather at the moment is not that great, but just gives us this opportunity to chill out and relax and that. So we're gonna head up to the coast, so you're gonna have to wait till the next video to see what we're doing. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and until the next one guys, bye for now.